Hey funnel hacker, guess what's dropping? Russell Brunson, our very own ClickFunnels guru, alongside Justin Benton, is about to launch the game changer of 2023, Secrets of Success. I've got a feeling this isn't just another launch. It's the affiliate moment we've all been waiting for. Can you believe Russ spent $1.5 million on a stash of Napoleon Hill masterpieces? And here's the crazy part, he's giving us a peek into that gold mine. If there's one thing that could skyrocket your entrepreneurial mindset, it's tapping into the wisdom of these classics. Now, because it's Russell, he's dubbing this the MIFGE. Yeah, the most incredible free gift ever. Join in, and you're snagging a free copy of Think and Grow Rich, plus 2 unheard of Napoleon Hill books. Affiliates, this is where the magic happens. Russell's lighting up this venture, and it's your moment to shine. Share Secrets of Success with your tribe. Emails, socials, everywhere. Bag a whopping 40% commission for each Tier 1 sign-up. That's $40 ching. For Tier 2, a cool 10% commission from your recruit's sales. But here's the secret sauce. Russell's doing the hard yards. Your job? Spread the excitement. Jump in via my link to unlock some insane goodies. 12K bonus stack. This includes an all-access pass to Paul Murphy's private mastermind, weekly coaching, 5 tailor-made magic traffic funnels, launch hacking secrets, and a killer 24-hour ranking system. Just imagine, an email list with 0 cost per lead. Paul's system is no joke. It's the key to passive ranking, boosting conversions, and being the ultimate niche authority. Plus, it crafts the most engaged email list you've ever seen. Remember when ClickFunnels affiliates bagged over $100 million in commissions? Russell's got that magic touch, and now's your time to ride that wave. Dive in with the link below. Once you're in, join our elite Facebook group. We're crafting a community of achievers loaded with top-tier training. Let's rally and make 2024 legendary. Stay awesome, funnel hackers.